dear students, hope all of you are safe and sound. I am also safe and sound. Dear students, welcome to Uksha High School online class. Dear students, today I am going to teach you on English for today, classes 9 and 10. Okay, dear students, open at page 39 of your EFT. Okay, dear students, have you opened your book? Here in your book there is a picture. Look at the picture, and after looking at the picture you have to answer the questions. Okay, dear students, have you looked at the picture? Now let us talk about the picture. What can you see in the picture? I think I can see the picture of the National Memorial. Okay, dear students, can you tell me where is it? Actually, you know it is at Savar near Dhaka. Okay, dear students, can you tell me why was it built? Dear students, I know it was built to remember the supreme sacrifice of the national martyr who sacrificed their lives for independence. Okay, dear students, now can you guess what is the topic of our today's lesson? Yes, you know the topics of our today's lesson is Independence Day. Dear students, copy the topics of our today's lesson. Okay, dear students, now read the text, and after reading the text you have to identify the problematic words of the text. Okay, dear students, let us read the text carefully. 26 March, our Independence Day. Here our Independence Day is a case in apposition. Is the one of the most important state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on the day. The day begins with a 31 gun salute. Dear students, actually 26 March is a memorable day in Bangladesh, and we celebrate the day with great interest and inspiration. And on this day we enjoy a holiday, and all the offices are closed due to holiday. Okay, dear students, early in the morning the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreath at the National Mausoleum at Savar. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organization, educational institution and freedom fighter pay homage to the martyr. Actually, dear students, all classes of people pay homage to the national martyrs. Okay, dear students, people from all walks of life also go there in rallies and procession. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and Girl Guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual program. Sports meets and tournaments are also arranged on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. Dear students, you know boat race is a traditional festival in Bangladesh. Okay, dear students, in the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural function. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. Okay, dear students, have you read the text? And I know, of course, there are some problematic words in the text. What are the words? Actually, I have uttered one, that is important. Dear students, look at the board. Can you guess the meaning of the word important? Yes, you know important means significant. Okay, dear students, the next word is celebrate. Look at the board. Can you guess the meaning of the word celebrate? Yes, you know celebrate means observe. Okay, dear students, the next word is organize. Can you guess the meaning of the word organize? Actually, it is an unknown word for you. Okay, dear students. So first of all, I am telling you a sentence. Then you have to guess the meaning of the word organize. My sentence is: our country organize a massive program for Independence Day. Dear students, now can you guess the meaning of the word organize? Yes, organize means arrange. Okay, dear students, look at the board. The next word is homage. Can you guess the meaning of the word homage? Yes, you know homage means respect. Okay, dear students, the next and the final word is include. Can you guess the meaning of the word include? Yes, include mean add. Okay, dear students, these are the difficult words in the text. Now copy the words in your exercise book, because after vacation you will go to school and you will give your exercise book to your English teacher for checking. Okay, dear students, now we are at the end of the class, and now I will give you a homework. Dear students, I think you have observed many national days in your life, and now I will give you a homework. Look at the board. Okay, dear students, thank you.